Welcome to the Club 57 Tube.
So what is happening today? Club 57, Tom's on it, working. Hard at work, no shortcuts, all skill, no sleep. There's one more.
What about the shoe?
What is going on? Where are we at?
I don't know. Squirrely, right?
Yeah, like where the puddles, like you don't know what's under the puddle. You know?
So you gotta make sure like you're going across them under power.
Yeah, keep it in the front end line.
But I was telling Wyatt, like, this elevated corner with the rut, like if you come into it too hot and then step on the brake, it's going to stand up.
And then you'll be botched.
Yeah, then you'll be botched, and that's where the tension is coming from, you know? The tension is coming from. That's the objective, is trying to get the bike underneath all this crap, but understand that when you're further forward, what does the back of the bike do? Spin, and that's what it's not about like, yeah, and you have the thing hydroplane, like know where the bike is at before you're giving a gas. Same thing, if you're at Berettas or a regional or whatever, it's not about being bonsai. Understand where the bike is and squeeze the bike at the feet because it's going to wiggle. You want to let it. When you start pulling on up top, that's when shit gets sideways. So it's not fluff anymore, it's muck. So the trick is, ready, get the wheel, right? Get the wheel where my feet are at now. There you go. And when you accelerate, then it'll work its way, it'll catch it so it doesn't push wide. So you want to... Okay. Henderson, what about you?
You know, it's having fun, but
What a shitty day, huh? How's your heart rate?